Hello, this is Dr. Sonia Rawat. I am the Director of Department of Preventive Health and Wellness at Sir Ganga Hospital, New Delhi. Today, we are going to talk about a very important and a very common topic, leukorrhea. Leukorrhea is a white discharge which comes out through your vagina. Now, what exactly is causing this leukorrhea? In normal circumstances, most of the women have this discharge which comes out quite regularly, and they see it mainly before they have their periods. So this is quite common symptom. Now, when should they be alarmed? They should be alarmed if the leukorrhea or the white discharge becomes too much, or it becomes foul smelling, or if it becomes very sticky, or if there is any pain whilst you're having this, or if there's any backache. So these are the symptoms that you should be worried about, because normal vaginal pH is acidic pH. That means you have normal bacteria which are there in your vagina which protects you. So the white discharge which is coming out where you have to wear your panty liners, that can be quite common. But in certain circumstances, when it becomes very itchy, or it becomes very curdy like, or really white, angry looking, foul smelling, fishy odor type of a discharge, you have to report it to your doctor straight away, because then they will be doing certain tests for you, certain examinations will be done for this white discharge, and this can be treated very well with medications. So if you have any comments, please let us know in the comments box down below. Don't forget to like, share or subscribe our Her Zindagi YouTube channel. Thank you.